Hey everyone, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. Now, as you know, 2021 is the year of the product here at Heartland, and I'm standing outside the all-new 2021 M-One and Milestone series, all created by this visionary, Mr. Michael Depositar, our General Manager at Heartland RV. The first question I have is, what is the M-One and Milestone?
Milestone's been around for about 2 years now. Milestone was originally launched to really be the floor plans that customers wanted, but at a price point anyone could afford. We really were conscious of the features, all the benefits, everything we were putting into the trailer, but making sure that it had the amenities that they needed without the wasteful spending of some other fifth wheels so that it was affordable. But in that regard, a lot of them got heavy. They were larger floor plans. They were the front living rooms, rear dens. The M1 series, when we launched it this year, was really a look at saying, how can we be the floor plans that everyone wants at a price everyone can afford, but now floor plans that everyone could tow. So we were really weight conscious on the M1 series.
You and I have had many conversations offline where when I always come to you about, hey, what's coming up for 2021? What are going to be the new features and benefits? You always default to, we got to listen to the customer.
Yeah.
We got to listen to the customer. So here we are coming into 2021. What are you going to be delivering for the customers specifically in the M1 and Milestone?
Yeah, so in Milestone specifically, Milestone was larger floor plans, but a lot of those floor plans didn't have some of the amenities that the customers wanted. So we took a look at the actual cost of the unit and made sure that we could still maintain that still retail price bucket they wanted to stay in, but we were able to give them a larger residential refrigerator, the larger 30-inch over-the-range microwave. Auto level is standard this year, whereas last year it was actually an option. So now X1 and auto level come standard, as well as the Rotaflex hitch. So there's just a lot of features that we added into the Milestone that customer cared about, but we were either making them optional or we just didn't have them. And this year we made it all standard. So as opposed to having to feature and benefit this thing up or go to your dealer and say, hey, I would like this option or that, Milestone comes one way. And then the M1 series, what we did was we recognized that the customers loved the interior of the Milestone, loved a lot of the features, the X1, the Rotaflex. We've added solar power to the units as well. But the M1 is now a direct speaking to the retail customer that wants that lighter weight, shorter length unit that's really going to allow customers who have smaller trucks to still get out and camp in a fifth wheel, specifically the Milestone.
At Heartland RV, we're all about launching life's journeys, but every family has their own journey. So can you speak to the offering that you're providing in 2021 relative to floor plans? How many floor plans? Are there some unique ones that you're excited about that you haven't had before?
For sure, yeah. We're launching 2 M1 series. So we have a bunk model, which is a industry unique floor plan in the sense that it has the ability to fold up into almost a storage shed. So the whole bunk actually folds up. You have a movable ladder. We actually have a patent pending on it right now. It's actually pretty neat, but when you open it up, you can fit several bikes in the back, you can fit firewood, you can fit coolers, so that customer can take several different items out camping and not have to worry about a lack of storage. So that's a really unique floor plan for us. Then we launched another rear living floor plan that we're pretty excited about. Both of those floor plans, weight conscious, length conscious. And then we also launched another rear living floor plan within the Milestone, a little bit shorter, 36 feet overall, but still has all of those amenities, the residential reefer and the 30-inch over-the-range.
Okay. Families really want to get in and see these coaches. Yeah. So the next obvious question that I have for everybody viewing is, when are these going to start shipping from Heartland coast to coast?
Yeah, so these are actually shipping out right now. We just made all of our changes. Honestly, if you reach out to your dealers, most of them are seeing stock roll in pretty quickly. We're trying to allocate across the country very evenly, making sure that everyone gets a chance to it. But they're retailing really quickly. We've seen a lot of positive feedback, especially on the interior changes we made. So we updated the interior color. We went with more modern farmhouse interior in the sense of a lighter wood with a white accent. Very nice look, and so it's something that we've seen a lot of success with.
Well, I want to give you credit. I think both of these units are beautiful. The product families, the offering that you're providing relative to floor plans is definitely going to fit any family's life's journeys. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thanks, Will.
If you want more information about the M1 or Milestone, go to heartlandrvs.com. Thank you.